Hi there. Becoming a data analyst is the smartest career move you could make, and I'm here to tell you why. My name is Gabriel Shaw, a data analyst at the Bob Africa. And yes, data analytics might be the new coding. According to C Scientific, there were 44 zettabytes of data at the beginning of 2020, and it is estimated that by 2025, the world would be producing 463 exabytes of data each day. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? So, what does this mean for you? It simply means that the need to access and analyze data is rapidly increasing. Gone are the days when data analysts were only vital to social media companies like Facebook and Twitter. Today, nearly every company, firm, or enterprise needs a data analyst. This brings me to my first point. Data analysts are highly sought after. With so much data being pumped out every day, the need for a data analyst continues to rise in basically every industry. Most companies now work with big data to build improved and effective strategies. But while the demand is high, supply is still incredibly low. This means that not only have data analysts become valuable assets, there are so many available jobs to choose from. Data analysts have competitive salaries. This shouldn't come as a surprise. With high demand and limited supply, data analytics professionals are getting paid more and more. The salary of a data analyst isn't only competitive, it keeps increasing as data becomes more important. According to Salary Explorer, a data analyst in Nigeria earns an average of 316,000 naira each month. So anyone can become a data analyst, regardless of previous education and work experience. I think this might be the coolest part of data analytics. Does it help to have a degree in computer science or math that build analytical problem-solving skills? Yes. But it doesn't mean having a degree or work experience in non-related field automatically disqualifies you from being a data analyst. If you're interested in data analytics, you could take a course online and learn some technical skill like R or Python programming languages. You could also try some projects to boost your learning process and develop your portfolio. But if possible, getting a degree also helps. It improves your problem solving and critical thinking skills. Fundamentally, data analytics is about collecting and analyzing big data, then using it to offer innovative solutions to problems. Doing this over time dramatically improves your thought process, helps you to draw valuable conclusions, and boosts your ability to come up with solutions that work. Data analytics also enhance your math and statistics skills. So, data analysts can work in different industries. Like I mentioned earlier, the need for data analytics exceeds just tech and social media companies. Data analysts can work in varying industries and sectors like aviation, finance, retail, marketing, healthcare, education, and basically everywhere. So this means that the average data analyst can get solid work experience from any industry of choice and build their portfolio. Data analysts can become freelance consultants. If you don't fancy the typical 8 to 5 lifestyle and want to work at your own pace and time, then you can explore freelance consulting. With a good internet connection and laptop, freelance data analysts work with major global firms as consultants, analyzing, strategizing, visualizing data from different sources. By doing this, you could become highly involved in the decision-making process for these companies. It is a constantly evolving career. This world is changing, and a lot of careers are going to be left behind, but not data analysts. As the world continues to become a smaller village, the need for machine learning, data technology, analytics is going through the roof. It opens the opportunity to delve into data science. With a solid and well-rounded experience working with data, it is a lot easier to explore fields like data science and even data engineering. A data scientist basically carries out a data engineer and analyst job. So if you already excel as an analyst, you're definitely going to succeed as a data scientist. Data analytics might just be gold, yet to be fully utilized. Rapidly emerging gold. So the world needs more data analysts, and if anything I've said sounds good to you, then probably you should start your career as a data analyst. Data is everywhere, and data analysis apparently is the future. To build a solid future, check out our older videos and get answers to all your questions regarding tech careers. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment on what you'd like to learn next. Thank you.